Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Settings because the Hotspot notification lives in Connection Controls. Open Settings, then choose Network and Internet or Connections. Models vary. Once there, tap Hotspot and Tethering or Personal Hotspot to view options. You're doing this to reach the notification toggle, so focus on reaching that submenu first. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi tethering aren't active. They can change available settings. If prompted by a permission request, allow it briefly so the hotspot controls become visible. Now you'll change the actual notification setting. In the hotspot menu, look for a Show Notification, Keep Notification, or similar toggle and switch it off. This stops the persistent bar. If you don't see it, open App Notifications for the mobile hotspot service. Tap Notifications, find the app entry, and disable persistent or ongoing notifications. Once done, exit and confirm the status bar no longer shows the hotspot icon, while the hotspot can still run when needed. Finish by restarting the phone so the system applies the new notification preference. That often clears the persistent indicator. If the notification remains, go to Apps, show System Apps Mobile Hotspot, then clear cache or data and retry the toggle. Make sure system updates are installed because firmware handles notification behavior. If nothing works, boot into safe mode to test for third-party interference, or perform a network settings reset as a last resort to restore normal notification control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.